Right here, what's up, guys? Welcome to another day. Another day is another trading day, is another New York session. What's up? I believe we are all ready to make some cash or some learning. All right, let's see. It's a beautiful one. Let me know where you're joining me from today. Today is gonna be very interactive because we are gonna be doing our live draw for the giveaway. I wanna believe that we are excited to be part of this live stream. All right. Okay, so let's get into the business of the day. So basically, guys, this is US oil. So in our last stream, I did mention that when we break below this, I'm expecting price to drop into this zone, and that is exactly what price did. It first of all pushed higher, then we saw this bearish candle came to break that low that we did identify, and price had been dropping into that zone before we saw this rejection. So basically, what are we expecting today on US oil? So I'm gonna be expecting, so of course this was offside. I took this buy, of course, into this zone. That was my expectation yesterday, but it did reject around this first supply. So now what am I expecting today? Those of us in the Telegram group, you did see the fireworks, and the students of course did enjoy the fireworks on this trade. So what am I expecting? What am I looking forward to this afternoon? It's a beautiful afternoon here. We have already secured money here. So we have already secured some money here on US30. So now my expectation on US oil is basically I want to see price break this structure. So I'm gonna be looking out for price to break this structure. Then it will be safe for me to look out for this range to be filled. So I want to have a smooth month end because I already secured a whole lot today. So just want another smooth ride to just secure more. So we're going to be patiently waiting, that is for this structure to break. Now another closure is this: if price comes to break this structure low and we see a significant close below it, then I will expect price to go the opposite direction to fill at least to this point. So it's going to be a short-term trade if it breaks bearish. So we're going to be expecting price to fill this range, that is retesting this previous structure right here. So I'll be expecting price to retest this structure, so a break to give me this. All right. So I'm looking for this range to fill if price breaks above. If price breaks below, we should fill this range. So let's basically look at what we are eyeing. So it's about an 83 pip range. While this is a long range, that is about 244 pip range, that is on US oil. So let's quickly go. Oh, gold has already done the do. All right, so guys, same Tuesday I made mention that when we break this structure, we are seeing price drop to this. And of course, those of us that were a part of the live stream, we did join this sell and we exited around this level before it did continue selling. It did rejected it, did a little bit of correction, and we did see price drop further. So of course, yesterday I was also a partaker of this. I took a sell after this retest at this point, so I enjoyed all the way back to this zone. So that is it. This has been a very clean trade because this for the purpose of learning. So you gotta learn, even though we were not able to capture this, of course. So you want to see this, you see what happened. So yesterday, let me take it slowly. So we had a break of structure, price retested, we saw this accumulation, then we saw a rejection. Now we had another retest here with a rejection candle. So see the volume, same pattern repeats here, right? Sideways accumulation, a strong drop based on volume time, because this is a release. This is jobless claims. So of course, this brought in volume. With the structure, with the rate test, we just had to see price just drop. All right, so this is for a learning purpose. You can jot it down, note it, and understand how gold reacts to this structure so that it can help you in the future. All right, so basically, technically, gold, let's see if we can look out for a rejection point to capture. All right, so we have a level here, but of course that wouldn't be a good level to look out for any trade. The best level we can think of a trade is this previous significant level right here, because we saw a sharp rejection of that level. So if we see price drop to 1885, then we might see a little bit of correction. That is where we have to stay on the 15 minutes time frame to check it out and observe how price reacts to that rejection level. We can have a quick scalp from that point, maybe a 20 to 30 pip scalp. So let's watch out for 1885 price level to counter this trade based on the rejection from the daily time frame. US oil is still within the range. Of course, GU is still is doing the same thing. So for GU is currently testing this structure. So of course, with the incoming volume, I expect price to push lower. Just as we have anticipated on gold. So of course, this was also another trade call during Tuesday live stream. If price breaks this trend, we're going to see a smooth drop. So of course, what I want you guys to do each time you join the live stream, even though we might not be able to capitalize the trade live, because there is nothing we can do, absolutely nothing we can do to force trade to happen. We can only project, you understand? So you take notes of this trade so that the days that you see signs of it going as anticipated, you just take action and enjoy your profit. You understand? That is the purpose of this stream. It's not until it's called live, oh, enter I sell, this is what I'm buying or what I'm selling right now. As long as I project and tell you this is what I'm expecting, if it does this, this is what I'm expecting. If it happens maybe 3 hours later when we are off the stream, my brother, my sister, I want you to take that trade because it is worth giving that shot, right? So look at this, how massive it was. Yeah, I know of someone who did take this yesterday, so shout out to him. He enjoyed this massive drop. All right, so GU today, I wouldn't be looking at GU for any position. So let's focus on US30 and gold then USO. So US30, what am I looking at? So earlier this morning I spotted this opportunity. So it was a very tight risk. I was risking just 40 pips. I was looking out for price to push into this zone. So of course I did mention that when I see a reaction around this resistance, I'm going to be shorting out, which of course when price just broke above and I started noticing rejections, look at that. So the moment I saw this coming, so I had to shut down that trade. Of course, that is it on that. So let's see if we'll be able to cash in on any other opportunity during this live stream. But of course it's not going to be right away. I'm going to give myself time till about 1:20 p.m. GMT. Then I'm going to give you my perspective, what my view is with regards to US30, so that we try to trade in line with the volume and see the outcome. All right. All right, shout out to Ebenezer. You are joining us live from all the way from the TEME. Tema, shout out to you. I see you, bro. Divine joining from Accra. I see you, bro. How many are ready for the giveaway? If you think you are the one that's gonna win the giveaway, let me see. Let me see. Oh, let's push it. Right. As a matter of fact, this account has been ready since the 16th of June. So it's you guys that have been delaying, right? It has been ready since 16. Just lying, wait for who is gonna grab it. All right, so US30 is doing the bearish somersault. So let's look out for clarity on the higher time frame. So meanwhile, this was a whopping 120 pips trade. It was an awesome one. It's always a good one to start the day. Start the day with some massive profits. So on the 4-hour time frame, what am I seeing here? Oh, the last 4-hour candle closed as a rejection, rejecting this high right here. So basically what we saw in previous price action, we did see a rejection and price did drop. Oh, I see. So are we going to be expecting that this time around? We're going to be seeing sell. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Today is Thursday, and of course it is the second to the last day trading day for the month. Second to the last trading day of the month. So what are you expecting? Of course, these moves are not strange to us because we already know this is how it's always like. When the month is about to close or about to end, there are going to be certain moves because this is the time that the big banks are doing their check and balances. So I always advise new traders not to trade within this time, especially the third. So if you're a new trader, trust me, you don't want to be trading within this time. You want to understand how the big guys play around this time, especially not on a Thursday, before you start engaging. And of course, if you are a regular trader who has been trading within these times, of course you need to always kind of reduce your risk so that you do not get burnt, because one of the saddest thing you can experience as a trader is to make all the money from the beginning of the month and give it back at the last day of the month. It's like all your effort going down the drain. It's very it's not a good experience. Trust me, I wouldn't wish you to go through such an experience. That's all right, unless you really know what you are doing. So this was a very nice setup there, but of course we did not cash in that because of the time. So, but of course this is something I teach in my training. So if you want to know how to be cashing in within this time, of course you can slide into my DM, send me a message, and I will take you on a one-on-one session specifically on gold and US30, specifically on gold and US30, and you will learn how to cash out on these guys. All right, how many pips did we get there? Let's see. From entry position, see, we have about 130 pips, 38 pips drop. So of course, even though you were looking forward to cashing out at this level here, you would have gotten about 62 pips. So let's say you do a normal one standard lot, that's $628, guy. That is massive considering where you are joining me from, of course, where you are trading from. If you are earning such an amount a day in Africa, that is huge. You will live large. So that is it. That is just for a day. All right, so US oil is basically pushing. So let's see. Oh, it's a new hour candle, so we are 7 minutes already into the new hour. So let's see. Everyone contesting, I hope you have followed the rules, because it's gonna be free and fair, because I'm just gonna go head down. So we have all the way to 1:30 p.m. to follow the rules. I wish we can hit 80 subscribers before we call out the result. Just did one more subscriber. Look at that. Look at that. So the index is back to this zone. So basically, let's go to the higher time frame. Look at that zone there. So now at this point, you just have to redefine that zone. So I've redefined that zone, and basically that is where price is currently trading within. So I want to see price push into this new high, or previous high, sorry. So I want to see price push into this previous high if the volume holds. But if the volume does not hold, then we're going to see price push back. Look at this divergence right here. This is on the 4-hour time frame. So we did see a new high. This is another high. So basically, I'm expecting this structure high to be taken out for this previous high to be challenged. All right. So this means that there's a high probability that we might be seeing more strength on the USD. So if that prevails, that means we should see more drop to 1885 on gold, and that is where we should be looking out for a short scalp in the buy direction, pending or considering the previous structure that we saw on the daily time frame. This rejection right here, all right. So let's see how it goes. So we are going back to the 15 minutes time frame to monitor and stay prepared. So that is it right there. So we are also keeping eye on US oil. So switching to the 30 minutes time frame. So we see how the 30 minutes time frame closes. If it closes this way, then we're just going to use the low as our stop loss, and we're going to go in for the buy immediately. You're not going to wait for it to break. Depending on how this closes, this is going to be a morning star. This is a morning star. We have a sell set up here, a sell rejecting the lows, and this buy rejecting the low. If it end up closing bullish, of course, not as a doji, if it closes as a strong bull, that will sound look like a confirmation. That means that this previous bullish volume is still in control. So I would just be looking out for the bullish continuation by engaging in the buy for price to just break through, and probably we can cash in maybe 50 to 80 pips, and that will be a very good deal for us. Let's say price closes around here. If it closes about around that point and we are able to hit this level, so that's about 70 pips, that is a good one for us. That will be a good one for us. We don't even need to go all the way to this point. We are day traders and we stick to that system. So closure will determine our action here. US30 back to the 1 hour time frame. So we did see a strong bearish close, of course. So with this in place, now let me show you guys something here. Look at this. First rejection. We saw price pushing towards that zone. It could not. So those of you that saw my sell yesterday, this was it. So this was the first rejection, second rejection, even though it did not hit on this zone. But of course, I did take my sell after this confirmation, and within 24 minutes, I was able to cash out 105 pips. 105 pips within 24 minutes. This is the drop right there, massive. It was a very clean trade, right? So now I was able to buy back into this zone, and now we have this clean rejection again. All right, with a strong bearish close. Okay, so this of course is an indication that we are going bearish. All right, so if you are going to be joining this sell, aim for 33,800, aim for 33,800. But for me right now, I'm not in that sell yet. I'm waiting for some clues to align before I can join that sell. All right, so if I had joined already, immediately the candle open, of course we still be in the trade. So I'm just giving you that clue so that it will help you. Now, if you have been following for some time, you realize that I am keen about my risks. I want to know where I will put my stop loss, of course. So at this point, if I decide to join this trade, I'm going to be using this 15 minutes to put my stop loss. All right, I'm not going to go into details why I would do that, but so if I join this, so 80 pips, and I'll be risking 40 pips. So I'm gonna be 1:2 pip trade, risk reward trade, sorry. So I'm still not in on that trade yet. Not in, guys. All right, so keep an eye on oil. So we have two pairs we are keeping an eye on. So let's look at the two of them. All right, so these are the two pairs we are currently keeping track on. Are we hitting that 80 sub? So we just can't go straight. So you have barely 30 minutes more before the opportunity to join the draw ends. So let's take a look at the 15 minutes. Look at that, 15 minutes giving us that hope there. Alright, so on the 15 minutes I can decide to join this trade, of course, but I'm still going to be patiently waiting for that 30 minutes to close. I need a strong confirmation. So even though, look at this, even though we did see the same pattern right here and we saw the volume that came in, So an early bird will want to say, okay, why not? It's at the level you said we can jump in. Why don't I just jump in? Fine, you can. But for me, like I said, I'm still gonna be waiting patiently, of course. If I had not made some profit already for the day, I would have been aggressively just, okay, the setup is there, let me just jump in, right? But I've already secured about 122 pips today on US30, so I'm a bit relaxed, right? So I want to see more confirmations so that, of course, I know that more probability are on my side. Okay, don't forget to smash that like button and share the video. Of course, share the live stream, smash the like button. That will help the algorithm to recommend the stream for others to also be a part of this awesome opportunity. Let me know in the chat session, how has your week been? How has your trading week been? Have you blown some account this week, or you have made some money? So the index is still trading within that zone. Let's smash that like button. Yes, so we have 9 minutes more for you to still have the opportunity to be a part of this draw. Make sure to follow the rules. Once again, let me just help you guys by showing it once again. The rule is simple. It is very simple, guys. The rule is very simple. You just have to follow me on all social media platforms, which is my Instagram, my Twitter, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. That's it. Then you comment either on the Twitter account under this post or on the Instagram account under this post. Tag 2 friends. That is it. It is as simple as that. It is as simple as that. You have 7 more minutes to get it done and be a part of the draw. Anyone can be a winner. If at the end of the day just one person that has done that, it's just a free ticket for that person, guys. The more friends you tag, the better. So we have 6 minutes to go for that 30 minutes to close. Then we can decide if we should join the bulls or still maintain our grounds. US30 is still giving us that selling vibe, so of course we are still patiently waiting because we missed the entry. Of course, we did not join here. If I did join here, I will still be holding on to the trade. So amazing, 2 entry already. This was the first entry and this is the second entry, of course. So if I did enter at this point, my stop loss would be way high up right there. All right, okay, still within my parameter. That would have been a 75 pips stop loss, and I would be aiming for 112 pips. Okay, that would have been an awesome one, and by now I would have been in a 54 pips profit already. That would be awesome. That would have been awesome. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. All right, so we have a minor zone right here. Price did sit on it to push. We saw price retesting that zone. The very bearish candle retested that zone, left a little bit of rejection. This current bullish candle came to retest the zone and it's still kind of staying bullish. So we have about 5 minutes to go to know if we are actually gonna be joining this buy or we still gonna be waiting patiently to see how things unfold on US oil. From the look of things, it kind of means that we missed US30. We missed it. How has your week been so far? Has it been a profitable week so far, or you have made some loss? Of course, loss is part of the business, but the overall should be a profitable week, a profitable your equity curve should always point in the bullish direction irrespective of how deep it went. All right, so 3 minutes to go for the candle to close, and we would be looking forward to making our decision on US oil. Please, if you have not smashed the like button, please kindly do that. Smash the like button and help share the stream. Let's spread the good news. Now next month, depending on the growth, I will be doing another giveaway. Who knows, it might be a 20k giveaway, it might be a 50k giveaway, it might still be a 10k giveaway. Let's see. So let's spread the news as we grow. I'll be doing giveaways along the line. At a point, I'm going to be doing physical cash giveaways, just sharing to motivate guys, of course, encourage people who are still struggling with capitals. At least we can help you add maybe a $50 account, a $100 account to help you push. But of course, it has to be for serious people, understand, because we want to motivate you to get the job done, of course. So at a point, I'll be looking out for traders. I'm going to be picking 2 traders to trade with me in the inner circle, where we're going to provide them with fun to trade. So there are a lot of goodies coming, so let's stay focused, let's stay consistent, and we're gonna be enjoying together. All right, so US oil is giving up on us. It's giving up so early, so basically no trade now. So gold, like I said, we are expecting gold to push down to 1885, where I'm gonna be looking out for a quick scalp at that point in the bullish direction. So let's just get that. So we are looking out for so that is basically what we're looking out for on gold. This is a 15 minutes time frame. If you are a student of volume, of course you might have entered here, but you would have been using this high as your stop loss. All right, so the new 30 minutes candle is here. All right, so we did see a bullish close, so let's evaluate our risks quickly. 50 pips going for 70. Is that a good one? All right, so guys, we are going in for that buy on US oil. Let's see how it goes. So actually risking about 45 pips. All right, so US oil is, so basically let's do this. All right, so was able to get in at this point. So yes, 40. Yep. So we're risking 45 pips and we are going for 70 pips. So let's see. All right, so the windows is closing. The windows has closed with regards to stand a chance for the draw. All right, so let me quickly go behind the scene and look at the engagements, and we'll come right about in the next 10 minutes to call out the draw, call out people who are actually in the race. All right, so US oil is still kind of dipping. So of course we are in the buy. We're in the buy. No cause for alarm. It's a risky trade, but of course the setup is there, so I am in the buy. So you can join me, or you just sit on the fence and watch and learn. Okay, so all right, Divine made $120 this week. Oh, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad at all. This week has been awesome. Yesterday we logged in about, for the holiday, was just a little bit about, I think, 3,100 USD for the holidays. So today so far, I think we have logged in about 1,002, which is awesome. So we are putting down 500 on this US oil trade, and if it goes well, so we're gonna be locking in about 750. So let's see. It's been an awesome week. Monday was awesome, Tuesday was awesome, yesterday was awesome, today has been awesome. So let's see. Still patiently wait. Oh, look at what US30 is doing. Let's see US all over here. Let's see gold. Gold is also doing some minor correction. So alright, so GU is reacting to that zone that I made mention of earlier, but of course I did say that GU, I'm not going to be paying attention to GU for this session. So let's keep tabs on US oil. Oh, US30. So there's actually volume coming in, but it's affecting US30 at the moment. Let's see. So basically USD decided to react at the beginning of the zone. It did not dip further to retest at the level. So, but of course, if we're able to pick the trade, we could have cashed in some 60 pips Of course, if it did break this high, if we're still in the trade, we would have cashed in 30 pips. Of course, we don't have allowed it to break the high of the previous sell candle while we are still in. Would have cashed it. At least 30 pips would have been a banking opportunity there. Okay, so we are about to do the draw. How many of us are ready? Let's see those who are ready for the draw. We are about to do the draw. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's see. Let me check out the contestants. Let me know which of the handle you commented on. If you feel you are part of the draw, let me know which handle you commented on. Did you comment on the Instagram? Did you comment on the Twitter account? Let me see. Put it in the chat session. Which of the handle did you comment? All right, Instagram and Twitter. Who else? Are we having only one contestant? So currently we are in 22 pips profit. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. We ain't gonna be in a hurry. How many are ready? Oh, is only one person that has contested, or is it only one person that is ready for the giveaway? Alright, like I said, if it's one person, that person is going to take it unopposed. Alright, so crude oil is still kind of pushing, but we are patiently waiting to see the outcome. Is it gonna give us good return, or is it just going to give us some false hope and go into negative? Let's see. All right, I think it's about time. US oil is doing very well. So currently we are in 39.42 pips. It's doing well. All right, so if you are in the trade with me, of course you know we are going for 700 pips, so you can decide to partially close and allow the rest to run, because it's retesting that previous high right there. But I'm expecting more push, right? So that high is still being tested. All right, so if you have the patience for the breakout, you can still stay in it, or you scamper out of the trade and go with a go all the way to, let's see, it is C47. If you held on higher, it did go to 48, even including your spread. All right, so we're still holding on tight on to that trade. Let's see. But like I said, you can break even, take partials. You do not want to lose all in the trade, of course. 40 pips is someone's target for the day. So guys, not because we are dishing out a lot of pips, you want to always ride it. Okay, so 30 pips above is a good pip target for you to just cash out. All right, this is gold. We have nothing to do with gold unless, of course, it drops down here. So basically the steam is running out, right? So that is why I said you can just scamper out of the trade or break even, take partials. Ooh. All right, so the wait is over. Let's just proceed and get it done. Okay, so event is ready, divine is ready. Let's do some confirmations. All right, so at exactly 2:15 we will be doing the giveaway. At exactly 2:15 we are going to be doing the giveaway at exactly 2:15 p.m. So I'm collating the data and I am working on the results. that. So we are back to that high again. So this is why sometimes you gotta be patient. When you understand the setup, fine. So but since you are still new to the setup, of course I just have to help you. Alright, so at this point I will personally be taking partials and breaking even. So let's see if we are gonna have more push, but at this point waited for the candle to close before we could decide. Alright, so let's see. Gold actually did rejected and push. Let's see if it's based off the first rejection. This is the first rejection. Let's so it dipped before it actually pushed. So basically it was it did a downshoot before it actually pushed. So basically it was not a smooth setup, so we couldn't have even think of taking such an opportunity. So US oil was amazing. Look at that, 48 pips currently running, 50 pips guys. So if you were part of this, make sure to always share your winning screenshot with me on the Telegram page. If you are not part of the Telegram page, please kindly check the link in the description box. You will see the link to the Telegram. Whoa, what a massive one, what a massive one. Yes, we are almost hitting that target. We are already 66 pip, just 2 minutes after we took partials, and there we are 72 pips. Ladies and gentlemen, we have hit our target and more. So let's have a little bit of congratulations wine there for everyone that took part on that trade. Congratulations to you. Congrats. All right, it has been an awesome one. It has been an awesome one. Okay, so I think we are going to be calling out the results earlier than I said. Okay, so having gone through both my Twitter page and my Instagram page, yeah, Divine said he commented on Twitter. Let's share the screenshot of your comment. Let's share your screenshot to me. So this is where you are sharing, and everyone that participated, send your screenshot to my Telegram right now so that we can just ballot it out, because I can only see one person commenting on the Instagram. On the Twitter account, I've not seen a comment. I've seen a comment there, but I've not been able to view it. So kindly send your Telegram message to @WexFX. @WexFX, currently scrolling on your screen, @WexFX. Yes guys, I'm waiting for your screenshot. Like I said, want to try to be fair as much as possible. So all the platforms you have done your comments, kindly screenshot and send it. We have few seconds or few minutes to go. All right, I'm still waiting for the screenshot. All right, guys, we are running out of time, and it is about time. All right, so like I said at the beginning, if it's one person that is contesting following the rules, of course the account has been there ready for give out since the 16th of this month. So having gone through the various platforms and looking at the rules, we have a winner. He has satisfied all the conditions. So before I announce the winner, I want to say this. At this point, we should have had it as a draw, because this giveaway has been running right from the 16th of, it has been running right from, I think, the beginning of this month, right? So people had a lot of opportunity to have participated, but I know some of us might already have the capability of purchasing such an account, so maybe that is why there's not much engagement. So I want to encourage us to always put all hands in deck, right, so that you push through, because it's a draw. Anybody can win, understand? So that next time we're not going to be leaving it for such a long time. If there's going to be any giveaway, it's just going to be maximum a week. If at the end of the week nobody follows the rules, it's off, right? And that probably would be the end of the giveaway, because already we are giving away free signals. Today we have made 75 pips, sorry, on Usoil. It's free, right? So that is it. So on that note, I'm glad to announce that the winner of this giveaway is Mr. Divine. He has successfully followed the rule. He has sent his comments via Twitter, via Instagram. He has also liked the post. So there has not been any other person who has followed the rules except him. So on that note, this giveaway, we have our winner, and the winner is Mr. Divine. So congratulations, Mr. Divine. The details will be sent to you via your email or via Telegram. Then you can start. Of course, let me just show us the account so that we get to see that we ain't kidding here. All right, so here we go. All right, so if today's session has been very beneficial to you, please kindly share the stream with your friends, guys. Kindly share the stream with your friends, and make sure to subscribe if you have not already done so. If you have not already done so, kindly subscribe. All right. So there you have it. So congratulations, Divine. Congratulations. So thank you very much, guys, for being a part of this live stream. If not for you, we wouldn't have this session. We want to say a very big thank you. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last trading day of the month, and it happens to be a Friday. So let's see if we can secure some money and go chill for the weekend. All right, it's been an awesome one. Thank you guys. Adios.